cooler breeze. I hear the beat of the waves on the shore of Waikiki. Softly through the air from a brown maiden fair comes a song to me. I hear the swish of her skirt as she dances to Lily-U-Way. No port only mine, soft Hawaiian guitars are playing as they have a big luau. The moon shines bright with its tropical light as the Coney and Rahini rays of Alakahau. Whispering to me from a tall cocoa tree comes a cooler breeze. It makes me wanna go back to my little grass shack far away. Soft Hawaiian guitars are playing as they have a big luau. The moon shines bright with the tropical light